So right now we're at Thingvellir Park. This is the continental split.
To this fall. So we made a quick off the beaten path on the Golden Circle tour. This is the Bruarfoss Waterfall and it's beautiful, but it is pretty crazy. We had to climb through fences.
Barbed wire fences. Down, babe, down, 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 down more. You did it.
A lot of these roads, there's just, you can just tell people walk through it, but there's no signs really anywhere.
There's no trail.
But totally worth it. This is so beautiful. We made it to this part. This is Geysir. 20 minutes from the waterfall we were just at. Look at this.
It's so crazy.
So as you're walking through this park, it's just hot steam coming out of the ground.
But it smells so bad.
It smells quite a bit. Whoa, that just happened real quick.
So fast.
That's just, I don't know if we were ready. Of the day, this Golden Circle tour. It's incredible waterfall here.
I feel like I'm at Hogwarts.
Just got back to the city center back in Reykjavik, an hour-and-a-half drive, and it's getting late. It's about like 10:30. Saw this hot dog stand the other day and it was jam-packed, so I had to come back and check it out. This thing is amazing. Gotta check it out.